Kwiro eri a wici wa ngari mwena wa Limuru, Kabete na Kikuyu ni makinyetio mbere ya igoti.
If I am and I have no intention to that, Your Honor, this can be close so that we can take plea.
Afitha wa uthuthuria wa DCI Joseph Wachira erite igoti ati uthuthuria ni utumite umwe wa Ekwiro John Kiago gutuika muira wa mwena wa thitango guku Isaiah Ndirango akigomirwo ni thitango.
Faili kwa ofisi ya kiongozi wa mashtaka na uamuzi kafikiwa kwamba mshukiwa wa kwanza atashtakiwa, lakini wewe utachukuliwa kama mshahidi wa pande ya mashtaka. Kwa hivyo naomba hii faili ifungwe.
Igoti kuhitokira mucirithania Jared Magori igithomera Ndirango thitango ya kuiya lori ya muigana wa milioni 4 mwena wa Rironi gicigo kia ubunge kia Limuru ni areganite na thitango ino na kuria igoti rimurekererie na bodi.
Reasonable bond terms and an alternative or cash bail that is affordable. Your Honor, I do also apply that the state do provide the defense with the documentary evidence. That's all, Your Honor.
Mucirithania Jared Magori augete Mwekwiro uyu no arekererio na bodi ya muigana wa shilingi milioni 1 na arihe 500,000 mbeca baribari na cira ugathikiririo mweri wa kanana tariki 3.
The accused is admitted to a bond of 1 million shillings with one surety of similar amount, or a cash bail of 500,000 shillings. Hearing on 6th of August before this court, mentioned on 18th of June.
Handu-ini ha Muthingi TV, njetago Wangui wa Muriuki.